easy way to do it to make rings. So hole saw, bit, tip, whatever the fuck. I start with the center one, so I get this center drill bit into the wood underneath it. Now I have a guide. So I'll do a little bit of the center hole, and then I'll do the outside, so I have a guide for when I put the bigger one on. I know I'm center from the drill bit, and plus it fits in the outside cut. So then I'll plow through, do the center one, and then I'll finish off the outside, and then you have a ring. So I pre-glued these on. I was trying to, hold the ring on this little piece, get glue in there and hold it in place, and pain in the ass. So hopefully I can stretch these and then glue it and cut them. Hopefully this will be easier. Alright, so I had it on there. It looked good, but I didn't like the positioning of it, so I broke it out. I'm going to try and get these matched up with 2 sticks before I start putting all the other bracing in, because it was a waste of time. So that's where we're at. YouTubians, what's up? The car's filthy. It's been raining like crazy and cold as shit here in Huntington Beach. I went to work the other day and it was 37 degrees in the morning. It's insane. So right now, tweeter pods is the tweeter pods is the project. So they've been driving me crazy. I thought I had it down last night. I put them in, test fit them, and they're nowhere close to being matched. So I've been sitting in my car with fucking wire cutters and popsicle sticks and a glue gun. Visually they look like shit, but I think positioning they're as close as they're gonna get right now. So yeah, I got monetized, pretty cool. And yeah, damn, do I have a lot of copyright claims from all the music I've been using, even music that's in the background. Like there's a video where when I went to that show at Auto Tech Engineering and I put some clips in my video, somebody in the background was giving a demo with Mariah Carey's Will You Be My Baby, and it was literally like 3 or 4 seconds, and that video got copyright claimed because of that. So I've been, YouTubing on how to fix those situations, and I think I can do it through YouTube Studio, but I might have to mute it. I don't know if I can add music over it. I don't know, but I'm gonna apologize in advance because I don't think I'm gonna be able to use any decent music, because I don't want to get like copyright strikes or them file paperwork or whatever. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. I got a lot to learn, and yeah, that's that. So let me show you where I'm at right now. And I don't know, these things have been driving me crazy, so let's see. See, this, don't look at none of this. It's positioning. I think this one needs to come forward a little bit, tilt down just a hair. I mean, they look pretty good. If you look at like the gap here, actually, I don't know. Yeah, see, this one needs to come over a little bit. Dude, I've been doing this back and forth shit. Seems like forever. Yeah, see, this one's over just a little bit. So that one needs to be tilted in just a little bit. Alright, I'll give you an update when I'm fucking finally got my damn mind made up. I'm done. I'm running with what I got. What a pain in the ass. Got these dudes with their fancy lasers and all this other shit. Eyeball that shit. Drive you insane. They're not perfect. They're pretty close. I got such a big hole in here because I need to be able to get in there because these are like screw on, and this was like flat. So now I'm gonna fleece it. I'm debating of using fleece or something thin like a bandana. We'll see. gonna smear some bondo around some of these edges. Inside looks terrible, but some bondo on this pit hole. Other than that, almost done. So I used 80. I broke it down with this. It's a little bit harder. And then I got these wet sanding block. And I cut it into small pieces. And then I use this. This is 80 grit. This is 150, 80. This is 60. And then yeah, that's it, man. A little bit of elbow grease. So I'm gonna smear some bondo on this edge right here, and then this edge right here. And I'll break that down and spray some primer on it. I gotta get right there. Sand that down a little bit. But there's not that much material on these, so I shouldn't have any problems with the fit. See, this edge is rough. Almost done. Some bondo right there. But my lunch is almost over. Gotta gas up, jump in the rig. So, I'm gonna throw a coat of primer on here, see how it looks. Throw the primer on this one while I sand the other one. But I think this looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's crazy how much of a difference not having this tweeter in my car makes. What up, YouTubians? Check these fucking things out. So it's lunch at work. Put these things in real quick.